All right, today I have a Chrysler Pacifica and I'm going to show you how to open up the fuel door as well as the electric fuel door on this specific Chrysler Pacifica tongue twister. All right, but before I get started, if you find my video helpful in any way, can you give me a thumbs up as well as subscribe to my channel? I'll appreciate it tremendously. All right, so let's get started. So I'm sitting behind the steering wheel of the Chrysler Pacifica, and I'm going to show you how to open up the fuel door in order to put gas in it, as well as how to open up the fuel door to charge your vehicle. All right, so the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and open up the door. The car's on park, it is turned off. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to look to this side right here. Do you see this button right here? This button is for the fuel door. I'm going to press this. And did you hear that click? That is the click for the fuel door for putting gasoline in your vehicle. But I'm going to show you the e-fuel door first. So I stepped out of the vehicle, I go towards the front, and you see this right here. I'm going to go ahead and press that, open this up, go ahead and charge using this right here to charge up your vehicle's batteries. Okay? So when I'm done, go ahead and take it out, close this back. And now I'm going to show you on how to put fuel into the vehicle, gasoline. So I go to the back of the vehicle, you see that this is popped open. I'm just going to go right here and go ahead and put the nozzle of the fuel pump in there. And go ahead and pump up some gas, and when you're done pumping up the gas, just go ahead and put the pump back, and then go ahead and close this door, just like that. And then you're off on your way. I hope this is helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.